Hi everyone, I'm Otis. In this video, I will guide everyone on how to use this bot to control and manage hundreds of Facebook accounts, helping us send messages to hundreds of different Facebook accounts. First, we will access this bot, and here we can see that it manages a lot of different accounts. Next, to send messages, we will go to the messaging section. Select the messaging function. Next, we will select the accounts we want to use for messaging from the category we have saved. Let's select the category. Next, select the accounts you want to record or perform actions with. Next, on this side, we will select the content we want to send as a message and save it. Next, below, we will enter the profile IDs here. So we will enter them in this section. Go to this section, copy all the IDs you have, access the bot again, and paste them here, then save. And below, everyone can see options for random content or commenting within the content you want. And above is the section to check the number of profiles we want to message. After everyone has completed all the above steps, we just need to click Start. This bot will automatically control these 145 Facebook accounts to send messages to each profile you have entered here. Okay, let's see how it works.